Hello, my dear students of class 7. This is Manju, your English teacher. Students, today I am going to teach you one of the English literature chapter named The Boy with a Catapult using pictorial presentation. This story is written by Bhisham Sahani. He was a Hindi writer, playwright, and an actor. The whole story revolves around a boy named Bodhraj. In this story, the narrator's name is not mentioned. So, let's begin the story. Bodhraj was very cruel and careless boy. He would catch a wasp with his bare fingers, pull out its sting, tie a thread round it, and fly it like a kite. He would pounce on a butterfly sitting on a flower and crush it between his fingers, or else stick a pin through it and pin it to his notebook. He always had a catapult in his hand. His favorite targets were birds. He would stand near a tree, take aim, and the next moment bird cries would rend the air and a fluff of feathers would float down. He was vindictive and took pleasure in hurting others. All the boys were scared of him. Even his mother called him a Rakshasa. Once narrator's father was given a promotion in his job and they shifted into a large bungalow which was on the outskirts of the city. It was surrounded by many trees and bushes. There lived many birds and animals. As his bungalow was little far away, no friends went there to visit him except Bodhraj. Because Bodhraj loved to hunt birds, he found it a good hunting ground. Behind the house there was a storeroom. This room had become a haunt of pigeons. Near the broken glass of ventilator there was a myna's nest. The floor of the room was littered with feathers, bird droppings, broken eggs, and bits of straws from nests. As narrator's mother did not approve of his friendship with Bodhraj, but one day she said to narrator, if Bodhraj was so fond of destroying nests, tell him to clean our storeroom. So next day narrator called Bodhraj and both of them went inside the storeroom. It was dark and smelly. There were blood droppings, feathers, and birds' flesh everywhere. Bodhraj had his catapult and was aiming at Mina's nest in that place. There were two baby Minas inside the nest. Bodhraj aimed with his catapult, but he had missed his targets twice. The birds were crying. When Bodhraj had a third try, there was a large shadow nearby the ventilator. It was a kite. The kite started moving towards the Mina's nest. Now Bodhraj aimed at the kite, but he missed it. The kite flew and perched on a beam. Bodhraj pulled a table right under the Mina's nest. He climbed on the table and lifted up the nest. Both narrator and Bodhraj went into the garage with his nest. There was only one door and a small window in that garage, so the kite could not enter it. Finally, the Mina's babies were settled down. Next day, when Bodhraj came, he had neither catapult nor pebbles in his hand. Instead, he carried a bag of seeds to feed the Minas. So, students, this story gives us the message that we should not hunt birds and animals. And from this story, we also understand that even a rudest person has a kind heart. I hope you liked and enjoyed the story. Thank you.